Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Is Jamaica on the verge of another bad gas crisis? That's the question this evening amidst reports in the Sunday Gleaner that gas with a foul odor has been affecting the performance of motor vehicles. Energy Minister FEB Williams met with Petrojam's technical team today to discuss the issue. Mrs. Williams says she has been in dialogue with Board Chairman Paul Hu, as well as Acting Manager Refinery Optimization and Business Support Telroy Morgan.
We are expecting that all entities that interact with the industry and have responsibilities to ensure the integrity of the product will also have their review meetings in the next 24 hours, and that we will apprise the country, will update the country of any and all findings as soon as they become available.